Okay, this is our exit ticket today. We have Show What You Know, Lesson 10. It says, the circumference of this circle is 60 feet. What is the circle's area? Show or explain your thinking. So again, the circumference is the distance around. It's like the perimeter of the circle. And we're told that that's 60 feet. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and label that. And then I know that the area formula for a circle requires us to know the radius, or r. So before we can find the radius, we're going to have to use the circumference formula for the diameter. We know that the circumference of a circle is pi d. In this case, our circumference is 60, so we're going to replace c with 60, pi d. And then to solve for the diameter, we have to divide out the pi. The coefficient of d is pi on both sides. So we have that the diameter is 60 divided by pi. To get the radius, we're going to have to do half of the diameter, which means taking half of this number. So if I did that times 1/2, this times 1/2 is going to give me r. This times 1/2 is going to give me 60 divided by 2 pi. Okay, so our radius is all of that. To get the exact answer for our area, we're going to leave pi in our answer. We're going to have 60 divided by 2 pi, all of it squared, times pi. Okay, so that's going to be the exact answer. Go ahead and write exact next to that one. And then I want you to use your calculators and try and get the approximation to 2 decimal places of this formula. Go ahead and try that on your own. Pause this video and then turn it back on to see if you did everything correctly with your calculator. All right, welcome back. Let's check our work here. So we're going to have opening parenthesis, alpha y equals, to pick up our fraction numerator over denominator correctly. And we're going to have 60 down arrow 2 pi. Again, to get our pi symbol, we're going to press second and the upper caret key. Okay, we're going to right arrow out of it, close out our parentheses, and then we need that value squared. Remember, to get squared is your x squared button, and then times, and then pi again. Okay, let's press enter here. And if you did it correctly, your answer should be 286 point. We have an 8 there for 4/7, so that's going to round up to 48. And our units are feet squared. Okay, make sure you have your first and last name at the top, today's date, and hour. And turn that in.